Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel step by step. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, employee name and department list. So here I'm going to use data validation to create a drop down list of the department. So let's start how it's done. Simply select the range of cell and go to the data tab. In data tool have data validation option. Just click on this drop down arrow, then click on the first option data validation. And here you can see the small dialog box is opens the data validation. The first tab is the settings. In settings, there is a validation criteria. In allow the value those you want. So I'm allowing here the list. So just click on this drop down arrow and select the list because I'm create here the drop down list, a drop down list of the department. Okay, so therefore I say allow here the list, select here the list, then source. Okay, select the list. So I just click on this arrow and select the list of department and click on arrow again. And here you can see the range of list is selected. After that, click on OK. Okay, that's it. And here you can see when I click on this first cell and click on this drop down arrow, you can see here the drop down list showing. You can simply click on this arrow and select the department those you those you want to mention here. Okay, see. So this is a way you can create here the drop down list. But if someone enter here something else, okay, so first I'm enter here there's something Mm, in management. I'm going to enter here management. Okay. And press the enter. See the error is showing Microsoft Excel. This value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay. It does not match as per the restriction of data validation. So this error also you can change it. I cancel it and again I select the entire cell of range. Go to the data tab. In data tools have data validation. Click on this drop down arrow and click on the data validation. Here you can see in this dialog box there is a third tab is error alert. So you can mention here your error alert message also. So I just enter here the error and in error message I enter here invalid. Okay, invalid mm, content bus. Okay, invalid content. Okay, then click on the okay. And now when you enter something else, so I just enter here no and press the enter key and see I show you the error invalid content. Okay, so this is the way you can edit the error also. You mention accordingly those you want to pop up the message, the user of Excel, those you use this Excel and this data. So this message pop up, so understand them, okay, what is the wrong going on here. Okay, so this way you can edit here the error message also in data validations. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.